Meal prep this week included chopping some veg and making homemade ranch dip. So good. Hey there, so I'm going to share with you guys my meal prep for the week. I'll start by just saying that I always have meal prepped for my entire family. After working with clients for more than 12 years on nutrition, I know that that is not the case for everyone, but here's why I do it. One, we often hear the complaint of family eating somebody else's food that they had prepped and planned for themselves, and that just doesn't happen if I prep for everybody. The other thing is I really do want my entire family to be healthy and eat healthy. That's important to me. As long as the option is there for them, it doesn't mean they're always going to take it. Currently, it's Nora and Sam and I living at home, and they are happy to eat the food that I cook for them. And now, Sam helps me often in the kitchen as well. So this weekend, we actually prepped quite a bit of food. Aside from roasting 2 pounds of coffee and making 2 different types of muffins, we made lunches, and today I finished off the prepping with the yogurt cups. We made about a dozen of these jumbo pumpkin muffins from my recipe books. We use just 2 scoops to make them jumbo, and these ones are what we have before workouts in the morning with coffee. So it has about a little under 300 calories, and it's got some protein and fat, but mostly carbohydrates, which is great for pre-workout. There's not a whole lot to show you for breakfast because we have eggs, avocado toast, or I do love a bagel with my eggs on days that I ran, which is 6 days of the week. But sometimes we run out of bagels, so I have eggs with avocado toast and an apple. If we have bagels and that's what I'm going to have that day, then I just have eggs and a bagel. So for my lunches and Sam's lunches, we have cilantro lime chicken thighs with coconut rice, and then just some veggies I needed to use up in the fridge. This is the same meal, smaller portion. Most of the meals actually have steamed broccoli with them. You can see that I have 2 different sizes of containers here. I will, kind of funny backstory, since the beginning of time of Nora packing her own lunch, I have always put hers in these cute little rectangles and mine are in the square, and so she just knew what was hers in the fridge. So one of the other things I prepped are these yogurt cups, and they have fruit, plain yogurt, and I mix them with BPN's blueberry muffin protein. So less sugar than using just like a vanilla Greek yogurt because I'm using the protein powder to sweeten it, and then I use plain yogurt. And some of them are just strawberry, some of them are blueberry and strawberry, and then we like to add some toppings. For toppings, sometimes we're using a granola. This one is my favorite, or maybe just plain unsweetened chopped walnuts. Same with the almonds, but just adds a little bit of crunch. And these Nora might have for breakfast. I often have them as a snack on the days I teach Pilates because I don't have dinner until later, so there's a lot more protein. But they're just in the fridge for anyone to grab. Other snacks that we often have, Nora definitely likes to take a big Cosmic Crisp apple in her lunch. Sometimes I'll have that with my breakfast if I need to add more carbs, or another meal that just needs more carbohydrates. I also, if I'm not having, so on days that I'm not teaching Pilates and I'm gonna have dinner earlier at like 4:30 or 5, I don't eat quite as much protein with my snack because the yogurt has about 30 grams of protein, and I like to have a creamy at night, and I really can go over my protein if I were to have both. So I'll have a rice cake with either plain Adams peanut butter and a banana, or my peanut butter, which is in an Adams jar. Not anything that I really meal prepped, but these are drinks that I often have in the afternoon or evening to kind of curb a sweet tooth I like something fizzy. Zevia has always been my standard, but I'm kind of enjoying this coconut pineapple sparkling ice as well. In addition to the jumbo muffins, we made some just the normal size, and then I'm working on a new recipe for the next edition of my cookbook, and these ones are banana muffins. These are kind of like the snack size, so Nora might put one in her lunch, have one as an after-school snack. Often Sam might have one in the afternoon as a snack. If otherwise, we have the yogurt or the chopped veggies also as snacks. For dinner every week, I try to make out a plan. This is kind of what helps me grocery shop, and also it's a good way for my family to know what we're having, and then on days that I have Sam start dinner, he knows what to start. So I hope you found this meal prep week video helpful. I'd love to hear from you. Comment and subscribe if you haven't watched any of my running blog videos and want to. You'll find those on my channel as well. Hope you have a great week. You guys are gonna think I am all good if I don't show you one of my other secrets. There is always a ball of mini scoops of cookie dough in my freezer, because sometimes after running, I just want something sweet. Something else sweet is some chocolate covered bananas that I freeze. We also have the store-bought variety, and then our creamies.